Alright, back with this Hurd, low battery. I think I might have figured it out though. Okay, super heavy tension. Okay, whatever that pin was, it was extremely low. That short cycling on that thing is really starting to piss me off. One, two, three, four. But I'm not getting rotation on those sets, which makes me not believe them. Particularly since I'm turning this thing pretty fucking hard. Okay, let's go with super heavy tension. Let's see what happens. I'm going to coerce a different binding order. 2, 3. Okay, that was a set. We can agree on that. There's nothing behind that. That's 4 set at like a 9 cut. 3 is binding. Like almost like a spool would bind, but can we really have a spool in this padlock? Seems like it would be unheard of. No pun intended. It's a Hurd lock. Okay, so 4, turn. I'm going to leave 3 alone. 2, might have been a little turn. 1, a little more rotation. Let's go back to 3 now. Let's see, hang on. 1, 2, 3, no. 4, 4 set. Oops, I don't want to do that. Lord knows I'm turning this thing hard enough. Is that 3? Okay, it did go back wherever it was. There it is. Open. Come on. Okay, you can see that it's open. I hope let me stick something else in here so that I don't lose it. The shackle is not cooperating. With me here. There it is, open. Hurd padlock, USN, stamped, just reset it, but picked open after a lot of difficulty. Thanks to Bosnia and Bill for reminding me of the super heavy tension technique. That's what got this open. Just turn the living shit out of it and let those pins pop. Just use a nice sturdy heavy pick. This is Alex. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Please keep it legal. Cheers.